What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alan again, help you again. In this video we'll talk about the current situation of Bitcoin. Yesterday's Bitcoin breakout of the stock range below, and as you can see, the upward force is still inefficient. And is it a pullback? And at the same time, the CPI in July will be released, and what will happen to the stock market? And of course, as you can see, the speaks is the same as we analyzed yesterday. This is indeed resistance. So if you want to know the next market, do stick around. Right now, I will bring you the technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as trading ideas to help you better understand the market and seize more trading opportunities. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to Coinfinite. Don't miss that out. First, let's brief you in important news. There will be CPI for July tomorrow, which will have a greater impact on the market. We must pay attention to the market changes, and looking back at the CPI data in June, it was as high as 9.1% and it hit a 40-year high. In addition, the recent non-farm unemployment rate creating a perfect storm towards a bearish market. The high inflation has not eased, but the overall market has risen to a certain extent recently. Bitcoin is still in a higher level, so if you have been watching my videos recently, you will find that my orders are basically long and there isn't really a good chance to go short. First, let's take a look at a daily time frame. Yesterday's rise was a green candle and the upper shadow wick is not long. So I think the chance to rise today is very high. If there is a signal of short, we will have to see the Bitcoin at the resistance of the previous high at 24,666. The overall short-term trend is still in the upward trend. The role of upward trend line is very important. It has yet been broken and the structure has yet been destroyed. For the time being, because of the various bearish news, the chance of being bearish on the market is still very large. So right now, let's shift to the 4-hour. In the short term, we can see that yesterday's surge was accompanied by high trading volume, while the current decline is shrinking. So I think Bitcoin still has a very large chance rising to 24,600 again. In the short term, it may form a 3-drive shape. If it breaks the short-term downtrend line, and then there is a great chance to do intraday long. Bitcoin is to step back to the support here and continue to rise. This is the reason for going long. The target is to set around 24,600. And as you see, we don't have to grasp whether the 24,600 can be broken. If the price behavior at that time is still a false breakthrough and a double top is formed, and then we can go short according to our ideas yesterday, as well as the above Fibonacci 1.13 at 24,959. You have to pay attention to it. In a bear market, false breakthroughs of this kind are more likely to occur. If it falls back to the previous high again, then this is a time to go short. As for Ethereum, frankly, there is not much to say. The short-term Ethereum has been fluctuating around 1700, and there is a false breakout in the previous high. I have short orders in Ethereum, as you can see, and now the overall Ethereum is still above 1700. If it falls below at this level, the Ethereum may fall significantly. According to the current bad harmonic pattern as shown to you, the AA6 is the reversal zone. In the future, we will see that if 1700 is broken, Ethereum may fall back to the Fibonacci 382 at 1400, which is the callback of AD. It can be used as the first take profit for sure. If the last drop is greater, it will reach the Fibonacci 618. Then the second case is that Ethereum fails its reversal, which means if Ethereum does not fall below 1700 and finally breaks through upward, creating a higher high. At this time, you must stop loose and turn to long because breaking through 1700 will be a strong rise, and it will be a rapid rise for Ethereum. The Ethereum will rise to the next target of 2171. So the current bad pattern is more likely a reminder of risks. If it rises strongly and still in an upward trend in the short term, the first thing for you to do is to go long. We have to be well prepared for our position. Finally, let's take a look at SPIX. We said it yesterday that the 4177 above is the resistance we need to focus on. Now, it seems that there is still a certain amount of selling pressure at this position, and there is a false breakout price reaction, which is linked to the crypto. It seems that it is basically a falls without a rise. So if SPIX has started to decline clearly in the next few days, then the crypto market will inevitably fall. I will always find a good timing to short Bitcoin and Ethereum. As for SPIX, we use Fibonacci as a tool to take a closer look, and then we can see that the .382 is the pullback point we need to pay attention to in the next future. We will give you an analysis at that time. The short-term SPIX false breakout signal is not helping the rise of the market. So the above is my trading plan and technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and SPIX. My opinion is for reference only and not as investment advice. Crypto trading is very high risk. Please be careful. I'm Alan. This is a channel focusing on crypto education. We'll update the video for you from Monday to Friday. If you like my video and think it's helpful for you to trade, do give us a like and share at the same time. When we hit 1,000 subs, we will bring you a live broadcast. So do subscribe Coinfinite so that you will not miss any follow-up videos. Alan again, help you again. See you in the next video.